Hello, my friend. This is the three set packing machine in here. This one is for the shisha tobacco one, and then these two is for the box. Here have the product conveyor. Now I will testing the machine for you. Okay. This machine we have set the parameter in here, so you don't need to change it. There have many language. You can choose your language. Yes, here you can choose your language. Now we use the English. Okay. Help us to open the machine. Now we open the machine. Come to here. You will have a worker come to here to make the plastic come in here, and then there will have a worker take the tobacco bag on here, and then you use the wooden box to take it in the box.刚洗着放那里吃就好。Then we'll have a worker on here to put the plastic bag in the small box, then put in here. Now we open to see the box packing. So hot. Yeah. And then this is the output. So when it back come to here, and then we can put it on here. 把这个放到这里来，对。你这个放进去吧。等下我去那边，你过去一下。对，你过去。Here, we come to here, and then this output also can connect on here. You can on here to put the small box into the big box. This is the small box. Yes, and then this is the folding one. 折一个，然后把那个放进去。对。So you will have two worker on here. This one worker and then this one worker. Here is the output. Okay. Now put on here. Here is the putting the small box, so you can put on here. 这个要不要重新推过去，还是直接就这样就行了？那全部放上去喽。没关系。Okay. Here is the small box put in the big box, so we'll have a worker on here. Now we're testing the big machine. 开始。 And then here is the output. And then you can put on here. So hot. You need take care for this one. This is very hot for putting it. So after that you can put on here. Okay. So this is the big one. Also have the tear line on here. This is the full line packing. Now we can see this 3-set machine. The big box, small box, the shisha tobacco one. Also you can put this machine on this position. We are more我知道 we are more use the small rooms for putting the 3-set machine. Only 1, 2, 3. Maybe you need 3 workers on here. And then this is the small box. This if you need change the packing speed, you can on here. Take on here. 陈哥，这个调速调快是怎么调啊？哦，直接拧这个就行了是吧？拧这个就行了是吧？好 ，OK， 刚刚是40多。OK。If you need change the packing speed, you just turn this switch is okay. Like that. Turn right. Turn right is for add the speed, and then turn left. Turn left is for make it slow. For the standard is for 40. 40 is the standard for stable speed. And then this is the big one. 等一下，温度设定是吧？再把这个打开。OK。Before you use this packing machine, this is the big one, big box. You need when you open the machine, and then it's this switch. You need check the temperature. This line. Yes.
开机是全部红色的，全部都要把它按绿。
When this machine open, then when open the machine, the temperature will be red. So you need check this line all are green. Then can open the packing machine for use. This is the temperature. This is the set temperature, and then this is the real temperature. You need waiting the real temperature come to the set temperature, then can use the packing machine. Also the packing speed also on here for change it, make it more fast, and then make it more slow. Okay. This is the power switch. 这个关机是吧？
对。
When you then open the machine, touch it.
现在看着它的电源就重新设置了，可以测试。
And then this is for running. This is for stop. Now this is the emergency.
对。你开机的时候，你看它屏幕，看屏幕。
Yes. When I open close this one and then reopen it, this temperature line is the red, so you need put it come to the green, or put it on the green. Then waiting the temperature come to the set temperature, then can open to this machine. Okay. So this is the full line.